Hi, Davey from North Spas. Today we have to put a TidalFit EP-14 Swim Spa into the building you'll see behind us. Now, it isn't a straightforward job. What we have to do is overcome a few problems, and you'll see in the video we have some pylons, okay, we have some tight spaces, so we've had to bring in a specific piece of equipment which is called in the trade a spider crane, and you'll see for obvious reasons it's a very compact, small piece of kit with long legs, but it can lift up to 3 tonne. It's a little unconventional. It allows us to work in tight and small spaces. So let's just see how we get on. So then, that's the mighty EP-14 Swim Spa now in place. As you've just seen, it was probably the most challenging installation we've ever done. However, using the right kit and equipment to do the job, within safety restraints obviously, with professional people and trained men at North Spas, the whole job has been done with ease and safely. We'll be back in a few months' time, once the roof goes on the building, to see the swim spa up in action, and we'll hear from the lovely customers who have purchased this. And hey, thanks for watching.